Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to use Temu credit balance. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to access our Temu account. So make sure that you have the Temu mobile application installed and log in. In this case, let's go ahead and open up Temu here. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to access certain windows from our Temu application. Now in this case, first you'll see your home screen here. So from your home screen, what you need to do first is you need to add all the items or products that you want to buy. Now once added, what we need to do is we need to go to our cart, which is located at the bottom right of our screen. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on the checkout button that you see at the very bottom right of your screen. Now once you click on the checkout button, that will redirect you to the checkout page, which in this case you'll be able to see your products, your address, and also the option to add payments. Now in this case, how do you actually start using your credits if you actually have those? Well, in this case, when you actually scroll down a bit, you should be able to see different information regarding your order here. Now usually, just underneath the apply coupon code section, you will see a credit option there. Meaning, if you have any credits in your account, you'll be able to see it just underneath the apply coupon code. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just click on that section there, and from then on, you see a pop-up, which in this case, you'll be able to specify the amount of credit that you want to use for that specific transaction. But in this case, that's how you actually start using your credit. Now you could go ahead and just click on submit order, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.